Join us now for Word Up with Evangelist Dr. Eileen Stingley.
Word up. I'm Evangelist Dr. Eileen Stingley on this another great day that the Lord has made, here to remind you that something good is about to happen to you this day. You can expect your blessing. It is on the way. Expect it. You can believe with confidence that it will happen. You've been praying about a relationship, about a financial situation, about a medical dilemma. Someone's been praying about a sexual addiction that you want to turn around, about a strong-willed, stubborn child that keeps hitting his head up against a brick wall. Well, today is your day, for as you declare a thing, it shall be established, according to Job 22:28. Speak life into that dead marriage, healing into that sick mind and spirit, and see things change. You have the power. Release it with authority. God's goodness and His mercy have just hit your house. Word up, that's the word, and it's in the book. And I'm Evangelist Dr. Eileen Stingley. Keep those emails coming.
Join us next time for Word Up with Evangelist Dr. Eileen Stingley.